Good morning, friends and family. Today we'll discuss a little bit about the admission related information in Holy Cross College. So many people are asking me about the admission process and what are the subjects and what are the fees to be paid. So we'll discuss a little bit. This will be short video because for so many days I was not able to make a video because my exam is going on. So this will be short video. Okay, this is the form. You can get it from the office in Holy Cross College, and here is the form, and these are the subject. These are the subject you will get in Holy Cross College. B.Ed. Sorry. Okay, for B.Ed also the same form is applicable. BA Honors, BA Political Science, BA Sociology, BA History, BA General, that means elective, BBA Administration, BCom, Zoology, Human Physiology, Botany, and B Science General course. So these are the subjects, and many people ask me what are your preferable subject, and I don't know. I don't know which subject should I tell people. It's depend upon your interest in which subject you want to study, or you want to have more information, and you want to learn which subject you want to learn. All those stuffs are requirable or important for anyone to take or choose subject. And this is fee to be paid at time of submission. So admission fees will be what happen. Okay, total 25,000. Total will be 25,000. इसमें एडमिशन फीस होगा 12,000, एस्टेब्लिशमेंट फ़ी 5,000, ग्रेजुएशन फ़ी 1,500 और एलमनी फ़ी 1,500. Portion which is refundable will be 5,000, and fees to be paid during this year. That means tuition fees monthly for science, become BA General, BA Honors, all are little bit different. So you have little bit differences in fees. So for BA Honors 2,500. So you have to pay like accordingly, like 2 months. So it will be 5,000. Before it was when our time it was like 2,100 for month, and the semester fee was 11,000. Now it is 12,000 rupees, and this is second semester installment. SMS first installment. So this is how you have to pay your fees. And if you want to read all this stuff, then please pause it and look carefully.